Hello and welcome to another scrapbookpal.com video. Today I get to talk with you about the Zig two-way glue pen in the jumbo size. This glue pen has a jumbo applicating tip, making it perfect for large elements in your paper crafting. Now when you get this glue, it's not quite ready to go. You want to pump that tip, pressing it up and down to get the glue to flow into the tip. You'll know it's ready to go when the entire tip is blue, because this glue dispenses blue for a permanent hold. You can turn this jumbo tip 3 ways to get 3 different widths of glue. When the glue dries, it will be clear and form a temporary bond. You can use it for things such as photos, because this glue is acid-free, xylene-free, and non-toxic, and it makes a strong hold. It works great for cardstock and printed paper as well, with a quick application because of that wide tip. I also like to use it for embellishments such as glitter. Look at the beautiful wide swatch of glitter on this card. Gorgeous. You can also use it for other lightweight embellishments such as confetti. Remember when I told you that this glue also is a temporary adhesive? I'm applying it here to the back of a die-cut heart from printer paper and letting that glue dry. Then I am able to use it as a mask and apply Distress Oxide ink to create a background. Once I am done, I can remove that mask and you'll see that it did not move and there's no sticky residue left behind, and there's plenty of adhesive on the back of that heart to use it again. So that is the Zig two-way glue pen in the jumbo size. You'll find this at scrapbookpal.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.